A lush lawn doesn't happen overnight. It requires proper care, including aeration and overseeding. Aerating loosens compact soil, improves water and nutrient absorption, while overseeding fills in bare spots for a thicker lawn. Choosing the right. List none. The Walensee Lawn Aerator is a reliable choice for homeowners seeking a durable, manual solution to improve lawn health. Built with sturdy steel construction, it features 4 sharp spikes designed to penetrate compact soil, helping water, air, and nutrients reach the grass roots more effectively. This reduces thatch buildup and stimulates healthier growth. The Aerator is user-friendly, requiring no electricity or gas, making it eco-friendly and cost-effective. With its simple design, it's ideal for small to medium lawns, where maneuverability is key. Users appreciate the heavy-duty frame, which withstands repeated use, ensuring longevity. If you want a low-maintenance tool that delivers visible lawn improvements, the Walensee Lawn Aerator is a solid investment for homeowners committed to natural lawn care. List number 2. Scott's Turf Builder Summer Guard is an excellent companion product for aeration and overseeding. Specifically formulated for the summer months, it nourishes grass while protecting against common lawn pests such as ants, fleas, and ticks. The fertilizer contains a balanced formula that strengthens grass roots, allowing newly overseeded areas to establish more quickly. With insect control built in, it reduces damage caused by pests that can stunt growth. This product also helps lawns tolerate heat and drought conditions, making it a practical choice for homeowners facing tough climates. Easy to apply with a broadcast or drop spreader, Scott's Summer Guard ensures even coverage for maximum effectiveness. Pairing this with aeration allows nutrients to list number. The Brilliant Work Lawn Aerator is a convenient strap-on shoe system designed for effortless aeration while you walk across your lawn. Featuring 13 sharp metal spikes on each shoe, it penetrates compacted soil, creating pathways for air, water, and nutrients. Adjustable straps ensure a snug fit, making them suitable for most shoe sizes. The design allows you to multitask. Simply wear the Aerator shoes while mowing or walking, saving time and effort. Unlike bulky machines, this low-cost solution is portable and easy to store. It's especially useful for small lawns and homeowners who prefer a hands-on approach. While not as heavy-duty as plug aerators, it's perfect for seasonal maintenance and overseeding prep. Affordable, durable, and effective. List number. Similar to Brilliant Work, the Denforce Lawn Aerator shoes offer a budget-friendly and practical method for aeration. These shoes feature upgraded metal spikes that easily break through compacted soil, improving seed-to-soil contact during overseeding. What sets them apart is their robust adjustable straps with strong buckles, ensuring a secure fit even during extended use. Designed to last, they provide an eco-friendly, reusable solution for homeowners seeking long-term value. The Denforce Aerator shoes are lightweight, making them easy to wear for any lawn activity, from watering to mowing. By simply walking across your yard, you can aerate and prepare your soil without effort. For those seeking an easy, low-maintenance tool that encourages list number. To complete the aeration and overseeding process, Scott's Turf Builder Tall Fescue Mix is a top choice. This premium grass seed blend includes a fertilizer and soil improver, ensuring that seeds germinate quickly and establish strong roots. Tall Fescue is known for its durability, drought tolerance, and lush green appearance, making it suitable for a wide range of climates. The built-in soil improver enhances nutrient availability, while the fertilizer provides an initial boost for young seedlings. When paired with aeration, this mix delivers excellent seed-to-soil contact, promoting even growth and filling in bare spots effectively. Homeowners value its reliability, as it's engineered to resist disease and adapt to both sunny and shaded areas.